Hey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good. So I saw your stand here. Can you tell me a little bit, well, introduce yourself and then tell me a little bit about your company and your products.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and our brand is called Architect. We launched in April of this year. We're based out of San Francisco, and we design technical apparel for the modern adventurer. Our brand is kind of a travel outdoor brand.
That's great.
And each one of our collections is based on a travel destination. So we launched in April with the Baja collection. It's a 4-piece small capsule collection. We product tested it, mountain biking, UTVing, backpacking. We're launching our NZ collection at the end of this month, and we spent about a month in New Zealand tracing the fabric back to the growers. This is mostly based on global merino wool fabric, and we're all about ethical and sustainable production.
Yeah.
And we just want to build cool shit, and less of it though.
So I've been using merino wool for a long time. Some people think of wool, traditional wool, hot, itchy. Can you share a little bit about like the new merino wool, the technologies and things like that?
Sure.
That both keeps you warm and cool and dries. And
Merino is a magical fabric. Until I met my husband, who's the designer, I didn't know that much about merino wool. And a lot of people do think about itchy sweaters, and it really is. These t-shirts are so soft. Does not feel like wool. And it's great because it's antimicrobial, which a lot of brands base their products on. You can take 1 or 2 t-shirts on a 30-day trip because you don't need to wash it. You can keep wearing it. It's also keeps you warm. When it's cold, it wicks sweat away when you're hot. It's kind of stain resistant, fade resistant, odor resistant. So it's really the perfect fabric. And so that's why like I said, New Zealand, global merino.
Okay.
We some of these, this is a work shirt. You wouldn't even think this would be. This is wool.
Yeah, it's good looking. All right. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate your time.
Yeah. Our New Zealand collection launches September 25th, and it's www.architectsf.com.
Okay. Hey, how's it going?
It's going good.
So I saw your booth here, and I just wanted to find out what this is about. Tell me, introduce yourself. And
I'm Kevin.
your company.
I'm from Drink Tanks,
right.
and what we specialize in is growlers, right? So what we want to do is keep beer fresh.
Yeah.
So our cap system, dual bale system, is like so.
Yeah.
We'll hold 60 pounds of pressure, and then we also have a keg cap system, like so, that you can pressurize, keep beer fresh, or you can keep it anything you want pressurized, right? And from there, vacuum insulated, keeps things cold for 24 hours, hot for 12 hours, and it's life-proof guaranteed.
That's awesome. Can you do a little demo of this?
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. I saw your booth and I saw some interesting products. So I just wanted to find out, can you introduce yourself and then tell me a little bit about your company?
Yeah, my name's Bart. I'm one of the founders of Mission Workshop. We're in the Mission in San Francisco, and we make technical apparel and bags that last forever, basically.
Yeah. So tell me about the construction of them. What makes it last forever?
We make everything in the U.S. on the bags. A lot of the apparel we make in the U.S. as well. Some of it we make in Portugal and a few other places, depending on the skills of the factory. But we use mainly mil-spec fabrics and materials. Some of the stuff we make custom, some of the hardware. And we have a lifetime forever guarantee on our stuff. So
awesome. All right, thank you very much.
Yeah.
right, so I saw your booth here. Everybody's kind of familiar with Merrell, but can you just tell me what you guys are up to? What kind of new products you got out?
Yeah. So here we have a mixture of performance and lifestyle products. On the performance side, we have our Agility Synthesis. So it's a trail running shoe, really plush ride. Nice woven upper. It keeps your foot contained. On the bottom, the outsole is primed for trail running, so a nice biting edge for stones, rocks, grass, sand, whatever you're running through. On the kind of light hiking side, we have the MQM Flex. So basically this is a split between a light hiker and a trail runner, built on a running last, but the shank is stiffer, so you have more protection for you're avoiding plantar fasciitis and stuff like that. On the lifestyle, this is one of our new shoes. It's called the Rove. It's a knit upper, slip-on, kind of an after sport. So you go for a long hike, your feet are tired, what have you, and you can just slip this thing on, super stretchy. You can put it in the washing machine, not the dryer, let it air dry, but put it in the washing machine, and you're good to go. So sock-like fit. And then lastly, we have this hiking boot. This is kind of a ode to our original founders, Randy Merrell's boot that he made. This is kind of the traditional Merrell blue lace. So nice classic look, good leather lining. So we're pumped. This comes out this fall, I believe, in November. So yeah, we've got a good array of products and pumped to be out here.
All right, thanks a lot.
Yeah, awesome.
I can't remember his name. I'm on a different discussion.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Yeah, good.
So I saw your table and I thought, oh, that's kind of interesting. Introduce yourself and tell me about your company.
Yeah, my name's Harry, and this is Arvin Goods, and we make accessory basics. And the process we use is a very sustainable process made from post-industrial material waste and post-consumer plastic waste. And we break up those components to a new yarn. We break it up to a fiber, respin that fiber to a new yarn, and then produce our products. So we're saving over 50-60 gallons of water per pair of socks. The conventional socks usually uses 60 gallons of water to produce. We use 0, and that's it. Like, we're developing a range of basics, starting with socks and underwear, going into beanies and then apparel in 2019. So check us out.
All right, that's awesome. And where can they find your gear?
You can find us at ArvinGoods.com, which is ArvinGoods.com. You can find us on Instagram, Arvin Goods. You can also find us in a few different stores on the west coast of the US. You can find us in Urban Outfitters and Amazon.
All right,
So,
awesome.
yeah. Thank
Thanks.
you. Cheers, man.